I have not been living at home for the last 8 years, so it's been kind of coming back home now. It's been very different. It's going back to what it was when I was in high school. It's nice and it's different now because all of us have grown up. My sister's grown up, and it's trying to go back to the childhood that I missed out on in between. When I was in college, I had moved to the States at that point, so it was nice. It was a good experience there, but I'm happy I'm home now. Knowing him through childhood, I think I would have never thought I would get along with him. Honestly, he was not the kind of person. He was one of those slightly bullyish in the family, I would say. Again, he was so different from me in the sense, I can tell you, like all my friends and everyone would say I'm the tomboy, I'm, into sports, that's me. Super excited! And he was always the good studious student, and looking at us now, it's just completely different. So I think it'll be exciting, it'll be interesting. It was one fine day, he just told me he likes me, and I wasn't very well prepared for it. Then I thought about it a little bit, and then I realized it's like, why not? I've known him all my life, so it shouldn't be that difficult. It's always better to go into a relationship with a person you've known for really long than just meeting someone.
So she's the one who's so lively, loud, and picking up a fight for everything. And, once she left, there's nothing happening in the house. All of us minding our own business, and her way of thinking is entirely different from most others.
They're both made for each other. He can listen to her shouting how much ever, whatever, that he will listen to one year and he will forget the next minute. So maybe they even have fights that they have, and he doesn't remember also that they had a fight over that. He's very calm, composed and quiet, and she's very hyper and she wants to do things and go out and explore. And so together it's actually very nice to watch them. And he actually says yes to everything, and he takes care of her, so it's very sweet.
I'm sure she's going to do very well in life, really. And Sandeep will support her. They both love each other a lot, so it is going to work, no doubt. And we all say that she look after 40 or 50 years just like how my mother-in-law looks now.
When you have kids, I want to take care of them.